Roblox gift card on iPad. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can put a Roblox gift card on the iPad. So currently, as you can see, I'm at the Android. No, the process is same in the Android or in the iPad or iOS. So in order to put it, you won't be able to put it in the app. You have to go to your browser. You can go to university, have to go to roblox.com and add the roblox.com. You have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you have to tap on this option, which is continue in browser, and then you will be at this page. Here you have to talk from these two lines, and then you have to tap on gift cards, and in that option you will easily be able to buy a new gift card, or you will be able to redeem it right here. So if I go to redeem gift card, I will easily be able to redeem my gift card right here. So that's pretty much that I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this would have 4